Can you hear me?
All right, I can see you're live now on Hangout on Air because I had to go in and accept the terms.
Okay.
Right. But I don't know if you share your screen, did it say start broadcast? I would assume it says start broadcast. You
Yes,
click start broadcast.
It did.
So what you want to do though is you would invite people beforehand and get like essentially set up. So imagine like you're gearing up in a room, right? And everybody's settled in the room first, and then you would hit broadcast to go live.
The thing is, how do I invite them ahead of time?
So
let's say I want to, Pete is who I want to run the test with. Let's say at 10 o'clock, I want to do what you and I are doing now with Pete. I don't know the way to have that back and forth, which is kind of nice, I guess. Every time I talk, it puts my screen up big. Is that what it does with yours?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Well, you're the owner, so when you talk, you control the room because you're the owner of this.
Okay.
Right. But you can also pin somebody. So if you, for example, clicked on myself, like where it puts a white box around it, there's the arrow there that you can go profile or mute or
hide from broadcast, present.
Yeah, you can present to everyone. So if you just want Pete to always be on the screen, you can say present to everyone and he would be locked. So now
okay,
you can talk, but I'm still going to be standing up here.
Yeah, it's kind of distracting the other time. I did present to everyone, so now it's not flipping back and forth. I always see you. Now, do you see me as well?
I only see you just down in the little corner. No, it's pinned on me.
Okay. That's because of what I did, right?
Yep. Yeah. And what typically happens when we do like these hangouts on air, and I haven't done one in a long time since they changed this, is a lot of people have presentations. So you have people talking, but the presentation is up on the screen, right?
Yeah.
Using PowerPoint or Google Slides or whatever it is.
Or profiling. I don't know what the hell happened there. Now I'm. All right, hold on. I lost you. Hold on. Let me get you back. Okay, there you are.
Typically we just go by an invite. We haven't had there's something new that's coming with the static link. It's just not out yet. Google's beta testing it now because I've been on a couple with Google where you have the link is preemptively sent. But with this, it's not, I don't see, and I was looking, I don't see a way to just send like a dedicated link to somebody automatically.
Let's say you wanted to set this up and I can hit stop broadcast. I'm assuming it's recording right now, right?
Yep, it's live. So then it would be in your video manager.
Okay. So let's say you and I wanted to set something up for 10 o'clock today. How would you send me something so that I know at 10 o'clock we're going to be doing this?
It's a good question. Let me see what the reference article has. How it tells me to schedule, essentially, because you want to schedule this, right? That's the whole point of. Right. YouTube live facts. Looking for gaming live events. How do I start streaming? How do I stop? Let me set up something here. Hold on. How do I get back into this offline? I don't. Events. Let's see. New live event. I'll schedule it for, we'll just say tomorrow at 10. Add end time. We'll call it 11 a.m. So test scheduling. Come on. Okay, Jerry, I got it. Watch.
Want to do screen share?
Yeah, I'm going to share my screen here. Hold on. So when I'm in here and I go to create this event, I'm calling it test scheduling. Right, and I'll just pick.
Just make it 10 o'clock today.
Yeah, well, I'll just do it tomorrow so it shows up. It's different, right? And it ends tomorrow. So what I can do is share, and then I could type in, let's see, Rodney here, so I can see, and then dot notify via email. Okay.
So should I look at my email for something or not?
Yeah,
yet?
should. Let's see where it came in. Institution. No. Changes pending. Oh, I would have to hit share. That would make sense. So just because I hit share here, then I have to hit share, and I got an email. Well, it tells me the test scheduling, but it doesn't tell me like.
Yeah, all that.
That's how you share people to go and view it, but I don't see how you can just. All right, so if I
you want to see what it looks like on my email?
I have the same email.
Yeah, that doesn't tell me.
That doesn't tell me where it doesn't. Info and
More
settings.
confusing than anything. Rodney Doris shared a video with you on YouTube.
Yeah, I mean that's essentially just going to be okay. Hey, you can go, but I don't see the there's no there used to be a dedicated URL that we could put into a calendar appointment, right? But I don't see. No. Yeah, I don't see live control room.
I mean, I can use Citrix. I mean, that or the GoToMeeting thing. That's not a problem.
Yeah, I mean, let's see, leave cards on add card. I don't want to do this. No, there's no way to just have the live event ID.
I mean, I was kind of looking for something Hangout-ish, if you know what I mean.
It is. It's like the hang. So what happens is you're doing the Hangout on air, but they're transitioning Hangouts on air to YouTube Live. So you're using the Hangout interface to do it. So essentially, you're sending him a calendar appointment, and then at the last minute, you're just going to send him an invite, like how you just invited me. You type the name in to the plus, and then they join. So you put the workaround is you put a block on a calendar, and then you send them the URL, or once you get into the Hangout.
Once I start my broadcast, I add someone, then I add them.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I think if I hit stop broadcast, that's gonna terminate us, right?
No, it's just gonna take it off live.
Okay.
It'll shut it down, so it won't be recording.
I'm gonna hit stop broadcast.